Yes, so now from the last class we have learned how to draw the borderline 1 centimeter from all the edges of the paper. Now today we'll also learn how to draw the borderline or the title block. The title block is a block that is placed at the right hand bottom corner, the side of the paper, and it gives us some details like the name of the person that drew the diagram, the title of the diagram, the date it was drawn, the scale used, and other informations that may be required. So, and the title block always have this. It has the dimensions. Different people use it or use different dimensions, like 10 by 6. That's the length is 10, the height is 6. Other people use 12 by 6 too, or by 5, so whichever. But for this class we're going to be using uh, the 10 by 6 dimension. So we're going to measure 10 centimeters from the edge here to this place, and another 10 centimeter from here. So we're going to measure this too. But I can make use of my set square to draw a vertical line. So let me confirm again. You have 10 centimeter here. You also have 10 centimeter here. So we can draw then can join this. Let's measure 6 centimeter here. 6 centimeter. This is not up to 6 centimeter. Let's measure 6 centimeter here. So we can now draw this. So we can have the divide this into 5 lines, 6 lines. Or we can also divide into 5 by saying 1.2, 1.2. But I'm using 1 centimeter for each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can join these lines together. Ensure at intervals you can use your handkerchief to clean the resting part of your drawing instrument to avoid shades. The pencil shades. All these are done to have accurate and neat work. Then we can measure 2 centimeter here, measure 2 centimeter up, and measure 2 centimeter down. Then yes, let's remove 0.2 from each side. 0.2 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. And at this side too, we have 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Then we join these lines together. So we can now do the lettering work here. Let's have the lettering work. The lettering work. So I can write name here in a lettering form. Name for my students. I would like them to write class, class, class. We can also have the subjects, subjects. We also have scale date. Let's write the date here. We can have the scale here. The scale here. We can also have another information, the title of the instrument of what we are doing. Title, the title of whatever you're drawing. So, and this lettering work. So let me write Mr. Daniel as the name here. Mr. Daniel. Mr. Daniel. So basic tech. I can call it technical drawing. Basic technology. You can write it better than myself. So dates. Let's have this.